We're on the back of the yellow page. This is number 3. It says fill in the tables below with values that represent each of the given rules. So in the first table, the rule here is that you are going to add 2.2 to the x value in order to get your y value. So we're going to take 4.2, the x, and we're going to add 2.2 to it. Please remember, when you're adding decimals, you have to add ones with ones, tenths with tenths. You have to add like size pieces, which means we're lining up decimals like buttons on a shirt. 2 plus 2 is worth 4. 4 and 2 is 6. So I think that missing value would be 6 and 4 tenths, 6.4. Before I figure out about this working backward business, I'd like to skip down here where we know x is 8.12. If I put 8.12 in for x, and I add 2.2 to that, is that going to be a good way to solve my problem? I mean, it looks nice and neat. I've written legibly. But it's not okay, is it? No, it's not. Because if I write it like this, I am adding hundredths with tenths. Everybody say, no way, Jose. There's no way this will work out well. These decimal points are not lined up at all. They're going way crooked. So let's try that again. Let's try 8.12 plus 2.2. And do some real addition, not fake, weird, crooked addition. Looks like that result is 10 and 32 hundredths. Is that reasonable? I'm adding about 2 to 8. 8 plus 2 should be 10. Yeah, looks pretty reasonable. What about these working backwards situations? If we know the y value, how would we work backward from addition? What's the reverse or the inverse operation to addition? How do we reverse addition? That's right, we would have to use subtraction. So for these two, I would have to subtract 2.2 from the y value, because we're working backward on the table. Ten minus 2.2. Be very careful how you set that up. You might have to add a decimal and 0 behind the 10 so that you can do some real regrouping. So if the rule is an addition rule, but we're going backward, we use subtraction to reverse the addition. There should be a plus 2.2 relationship now between all the pairs. 4 plus 2 is about 6. 4 plus 2 is about 6. 7, almost 8, plus 2 would be close to 10. 8 plus 2, 10. So those look reasonable. They seem to follow the rule all the way through the table.